ball away over mid-wicket. Missed it completely, played right across the line and paid the penalty. Gone. He's cleaned out and Akram on a hat-trick. He brought that ball back and knocked the leg stump away. What a dramatic finish, and that's Faisal and Mr. Zardari enjoying every minute of that, and so is everyone else. Akram on a hat-trick, and Alderman just slightly better than B.S. Chandrasekhar with the bat. Akram on a hat-trick.
Bowling highlights were fewer, with Waqar Younis the star turn for his 21 wickets in 8 games, including a magnificent clean bowled hat-trick against New Zealand in East London. It might only have been a tail-end trio, but each time the ball moved considerably at top pace and the 3 deliveries would have beaten most top batsmen. So, a successful tournament, with South Africa proving again that resilience and strength of character can beat brilliant but often erratic.
But as soon as they were out, Abdur Razak wrecked Sri Lankan hopes with a hat-trick.
Oh, and that's got to be close. Yes, he's out. LBW, first ball, unfortunately. Full toss, the ball swinging back onto the stump. Here he goes now, in he goes. Oh, and it does swing in a long way. Big appeal. Oh, he's given him. It's hat-trick in Test cricket. Oh, what an occasion. You don't often see this.
34 to best. Dujoy has the strike. He's 6.
Roland Yorker. Lovely ball. An absolutely superb delivery at this stage of the game.